Hello, I just called to no I didn't, I dreamed it, no I didn't, oh yeah, I just came on here because I wanted to play with some makeup and say hello to everyone. So hey, hello, how are you? I recently got this new palette by beautybay and it's the New Mood palette with those nice colours. Let's have a look inside. Not one you would necessarily say, oh those match each other or that goes with that, but I just want to play with some shimmer, so I'm gonna start with this shade because what I thought I would do is I've recently discovered this way of putting on makeup where I do the shimmer first on the lid and then work around it. Seems to work easier for me, so it might work easier for you. Do let me know in the comments, and if you want to know what I've got on my face right now, do check the description. Okay, so I'm just picking it up on this brush. Ooh, that's chunky. And I'm going to spray this when I can find my spray, wherever it is. It's on the floor. So how is everyone? Are we coping okay in this weather? We are, just about. Although I've got some things I want to talk about, so I'll do that in a wee while. Let's just get on with this. Okay. Ooh. Now that is nice. Let's bring you in a little bit closer, shall we? As I have this fold, hood, whatever you call it. Also, can someone let me know in the comments what shape my eyelids are? Because I don't think they're hooded and I don't think they're deep set. So what is that diagonal thing called? Let me know, and that way I could possibly work around it and do some more fabulous eye looks for you. Because at the moment, I've not got a clue what the shape's called. Just put a bit more in that brush. And bring it up to here so that you're able to see it. See how quick that was? If you can hear that noise, it's my dog snoring. I've not got the heart to move him. Hey Barney. Barney! Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? He loves me. So that's that eye. Let's do the next one. Oh, that's looking nice. Okay, now for some matte. Just going to lightly tap into these two, because that one's a bit intense. So, content and confident. The shade that I've just put on is called Inspired. So, let's see how this turns out. I'm nervous. The brush I'm using is beautybay's does that say? BB203. So yeah, the current predicament in the UK. There's nationwide rail strikes, nationwide hospital strikes, and today is the first day of refuse collection strikes. So for the entire of Edinburgh, whole Edinburgh, there's no landfill collection, no recycling, garden waste, food waste, nothing in the middle of August, the heat. So Edinburgh is literally now a shit tip. That's looking nice. What do you reckon? Oh, I like that. I like it like that. Look at the sparkle. Oh my goodness, you should have saw my skin before I started filming. I've got makeup on it, but I look like I've gone through puberty again. Not that I was cursed with spots the first time round, anyway. But for some reason I'm breaking out in spots and I'm not using any new skincare. Oh, I'm just eyeing up these colours as I'm looking at this palette. I mean, look at that pink one. Oh. Let me know what other colours you want to see featured. Yeah, I don't know why that's happening, so, right. Same for this eye. And just going half on, half off. That's about as technical as it gets here. I've literally just posted my live cooking live stream thing. I'm trying to concentrate here, that's why I'm losing my words. What happened was I had set the video to go to private after I'd done the live stream, and then something happened to it. So I had to download the whole live stream, and I edited it, and it's there for you to see. It's making minestrone soup, but I'm thinking of doing a live stream this Sunday doing makeup, so let me know if you're interested in that. Trying to make that a bit symmetrical. I'll stop that there. I'm just going to use this little pencil brush and go along the lash line. I think I'll just dip those two colours together again. This formula is really nice. As ever, nothing sponsored or PR or gifted, but I get them with my own money. Well, if you want to send me something, you know where to find me. Barney! People are watching! Manners. I like that. Do you? I hope you do. Now for some mascara. I am using Maybelline's Sky High. Love this stuff. I did accidentally get the waterproof one, and I've got thoughts about that, which you'll see in another video. And so the spider's legs start to form. Oh, a big blob at the end. I like to put some extra mascara on the outer lashes because I like them to look bigger. Ooh, my eyes look very blue. My best feature. Apart from my stunning, fabulous, sparkling personality, of course. Now, my favourite bit. Highlight. I've not featured this one on my channel yet, and it's beautybay's Flash. Just use this one. You see that? Sparkle. Not doing blush today because I don't feel like it, but and I think I'll take just a little brush. This Louise 235 and highlight the brow bone, because apparently everyone does that, so don't see why I shouldn't. Oops! And there we have it, there's a finished look. What do you think? I love this. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching it if you have. If you're new, do subscribe. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like. You've no idea how much I appreciate those. And comment below what else you want to see from me. Yeah, I will catch up with you again soon. Take care, lots of love, be kind to yourself and others. Bye.